There it is. Far way down. Caleb's all the way.
What's up, guys? My name's Capture. Today it's a very special day because we have Melanie here, as you can see. What's up? Go subscribe to her, Daddy Nation. Her profile picture is like the Deadpool, I think. It's weird. But today we are, I think we're going to throw an airplane off the bridge and see where it lands. Because we have no video ideas. And she's talking about me.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
She never posts, but whatever. But let's get right into this. I'm gonna meet you guys on the bridge.
Everything you said they already knew, more or less.
Well, here's something that you didn't know. 2 of those special atomic bombs haven't gone off.
Hold my camera. Film yourself. Film yourself. Hold it. Alright, get up here. Phone, please. Phone.
Okay, I wouldn't trust you.
What? That's cool.
Down with that, paper airplane off of there.
Quickly go.
Try not to climb it, because I don't want you to fall. So I'm gonna climb down. I'll like count to like 50 seconds.
Just give me a hand signal. I can see.
Okay. As you can see. Oh my gosh.
That was a lot more anticlimactic. Wow, I really hope I don't drop my phone. Wow. Well, now I don't have a paper airplane.
It went like 2 feet. Oh. That was a complete fail. That was a complete fail. As you can see, can we get a replay on that?
That's fine.
Wow, that was depressing, Melanie. How do you feel about that?
Very upset.
Wow, that was like the worst shit throws. Okay, well, we just did that. That was very depressing. The most depressing airplane throw in history of airplane throws, probably. That's okay, because we still have more things planned for you, coming your way. Then stay tuned for Friday, because posting every other day. Yes, posting every other day. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it.
And you did it right from the start. And you did it right from the start. Missing someone is
go. Comment down below which drift is better. Mine, of course. How do you feel about that? How do you feel about that?
Pretty good.
Pretty good?
Can you?
What? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Everybody has to neck themselves for that.
How do you feel about that? Just
It was good.
what are your thoughts?
I thought it was gonna be another sucky drift because at first it didn't go and then it flipped around.
Yeah, I thought that was going to be like the worst drift in the history of drifts.
Okay, no, you're the worst. Your drifts are the worst drifts in the history. of
whatever, okay? I'm
Come
a
on,
beginner.
you know it.
Wow. Wow, just wow. Just wow.
Well, this is Melanie Knox. Okay, well, just talk. I'm gonna talk, one more question. How do you drift so good?
I just think it's the fact that on your bike you don't have the brake right here. This is an 18 speed.
18 speed, whatever.
So he pulls back on his pedals like this. He goes like that. He pulls back like that because mine don't do it. He pushes them back and it drifts. It hits the brake.
Whatever. Oh my god.
This one has a handle brake. So much easier to flip it around. Trust me, those bikes that have the brakes on the pedals, not the best for drifting.
Well, reporter Lumbra, my thoughts right now, Caleb Lumbra is
Sucky.
hydrating over there, as you can see. All the way over there. What is he doing? What is he doing? What he's doing, but he's over there. Oh, wow, I can't believe you beat him. But here's your trophy. Got like 10, 14 cents right here.
Empty your pocket, boy.
I got my ID, but I can't show him that because
Boy, you said you give me $1.
$1 for like.
He pays me to film him.
Where'd that reporter go? Where did reporter Caleb go?
I think he bolted off after he saw you bolting after him because you were kind of a little upset.
Yeah, I was pretty slow though. Like,
Bro, you were slowly walking over here, but he knew you're probably gonna hit him, so he bolted off. Oh, he's over by that basketball hoop over there.
oh, he is?
Yeah.
For real? I don't see him. I think he's like ducking down
Yeah.
between those.
I think he's behind that first blue. God, a freaking trash
Oh
can.
my gosh.
That reporter
That loser.
sucks. Yeah, loser.
Oh my gosh.
Go get a life, you piece of trash.
Oh, savage. Well, hope you enjoyed today's vlog / whatever. I will be posting on Friday, every other day.
Every other week.
my god. But whatever. Trust me, I will post on Friday.
If he doesn't, he owes me $1.
5.
5. If you don't post on Friday, you owe me $5.
Deal.
We shook on it.
Okay, well, you want to end the vlog? No, I'll end the vlog because...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why don't you end your own vlog?
Okay, so subscribe, turn on post notos, and leave a comment down below. Nobody really comments. Only a couple of friends at school. Talking to you, Nathan. Yeah, okay. Well, goodbye.